Hi, my name is Troy. I work with America's Home Place here in the Asheville, North Carolina office. What are the challenges that you're going to face building a new home? Sit at ease because we can handle all that and we can walk you through the process of everything you need to do to build a new home. Obviously, North Carolina has a lot of steep mountains, it has a lot of rock, has a lot of water and everything else. Once you've sat down with your sales team and figured out the house that you want, we can come out and help you decide what's going to be the best house to build on that property. Sometimes in the Asheville area, there's a lot of different variables that can come into the site conditions. Between me and someone else on the team, we can help guide you what's going to be the best option for that property and help set up that budget for you. Also, things to consider when building a house is if you don't know what to do, come to us and we can help you sort that out. We're very knowledgeable about the local codes and everything that needs to go on into building your house. We try and take the stress out of building a home, especially with how many things there are. We want to take that stress off you and do it for you. Again, my name is Troy with America's Home Place here in Asheville, North Carolina.